Hello, this is Carrie with Cookbook Divas, and today I'd love to give you a sneak preview inside Sweet Sugar Sultry Spice, Exotic Flavors to Wake Up Your Baking. It's by Malika Ameen. It is gorgeous. Let's take a peek inside. It came out in 2017. Let's see what it says. The warm embrace of clove and ginger, the sensual kiss of cardamom and rosewater, the fiery touch of cayenne, the surprising sensations of sumac and za'atar. There is a world of tantalizing flavors just waiting to be invited into your dessert repertoire. Join celebrated chef Malika Ameen on this journey of playful discovery, pushing spices beyond the realm of savory into something oh so sweet. And it goes on. So this is a cookbook sneak preview. I haven't looked through it yet. I was waiting to look through it with you, and I haven't cooked anything out of it yet. Roost Books is the publisher. We're going to check out the table of contents, and then we'll check out some of the pictures and the recipes. Table of contents, foreword by Sherry Yard, then A Life of Spice, Baking with Spices, Spicy and Warm, Floral and Aromatic, Bright and Fresh, Savory, Earthy, and Nutty, kind of like me, and Complex and Mysterious. Ooh, also kind of like me. Here's the foreword. A Life of Spice. Ah, she's grinding her own in her mortar and pestle. Baking with Spices. Some of the tools you'll need. Some of the pantry things, how to store your spices. And here's a recipe for spice ginger cookies. I'll be skipping that one. I'm allergic to ginger. Angel food cake with raspberry chipotle glaze. So at the top, they'll tell you the spice that's used in the recipe. This one is allspice, and it's luscious pineapple and honey squares. And there's a picture of it. So far we do have a picture for every recipe, because everybody always asks that. Almond Joy Crunch using bay leaf. Let's skip ahead because I can't show you the whole book. Sticky roasted rhubarb. Lusty lemon squares. I love lemon desserts. Peach buttermilk popsicles using lavender as the spice. Walnut cardamom snowballs. Swirled cherry sweet rolls. That's a nice take on cinnamon rolls, which everyone does those, but no one does cherry rolls. Watermelon jasmine sherbet. Crunchy top peach cobbler. Chocolate hazelnut clouds. Ooh, this is a lemony lemon ripple ice cream using violet. Here's the bright and fresh chapter. Starts off with a lemon verbena chiffon roll. Hibiscus tamarind spritzer. Lemongrass kulfi. Flaky blueberry hand pies. Hey, I'm flaky too. Apricot almond financiers. Ooh, what's this? We have to find out. That's not sesame semolina date bars, because that's that one. This one is a roasted grape focaccia. Wow. Lots of clever recipes in here. I see a pie. Gooey brownies using fleur de sel. Best ever honey glazed corn muffins using cumin. And this is apricot rosemary coins. And let's do one more. Gingerbread, cream, and pear ribbon bread. I hope you enjoyed the sneak preview of Sweet Sugar Sultry Spice by Malika Ameen. Hope it was helpful, and thanks so much for watching.